Yo, the nigga ain't gotta be wavy like that. What time is it, Mel? 11:50. Still early. It's your birthday today? Huh? It's your birthday today? It's your birthday today outside. Your birthday. You tipsy? What you was drinking? What happened? What you was drinking? What you say though? Say that again? Yeah. You wavy. That nigga not even too wavy. That nigga 3 swavy. Who is he?
Yeah, who?
Celebrity. Oh, you speak? I thought you were speaking Spanish.
Oh,
the whole time.
celeb. Yeah, I'm going.
Where you going though? Where you can drink in a beer, but where you going after this though? Are you supposed to be going home?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm going here.
My dude wavy right here. I asked him where he going. He said, yes, sir.
My shit. Boom, let's get the fuck out of here.
Come out. All right, man, make it home safe, man.
All right, son, you gonna be good?
Yes, sir.
Have a good night, boy.